Okay, you guys, we had a tornado last night and we got hit. This big old tree almost hit our house. Not quite, thank heaven. We're just gonna walk around a little bit and see some of the damage. So I apologize if this is not real steady. There's my lawn chairs. Looks like the insurance man's here already. Or someone, I'm not sure. There's our biggest storage shed. And of course, there's no longer has a roof. Whoa. We lost some of these blossoming pears that my husband is so terribly allergic to anyways. Here, that's our driveway. We can see a tree that's over top of it, kind of like leaning across it. There's a bunch of trees down. All this is there's the front of our house. You know, we're gonna